Hi guys! Today on my vlog, I'm going to open the one that I ordered. Nag-order ako ng selfie stick. I don't know if what is that thing yet. Let's see. Selfie stick. Because I need selfie stick on my phone. Ito siya. Fairlight selfie stick tripod. Ito siya. We'll see. Tripod. May ano siya. Pwede mo siyang i-charge. Tapos mayroon siyang manual. So, maano mo siya. Ito yun. Ganito pala siya. So, pwede mo siya ma-charge. Tada! Uy, ay nice. I like it. Ito siya. Akala ko ano lang siya. Tawag nun. Oh, ganito siya guys. Tapos may light siya. Pwede siyang ma-light. May light. So, need pa siyang i-charge. Tapos ganito. Tapos may ano siya, may, paano ba to i-ano? Dito may ano to eh. Dito. So, kasi may, nasaan yung, sabi may remote. Wala siyang remote. So, may stand siya guys, may stand. So, need siyang i-charge ko muna to. We'll see. Ay, ito na siya guys. Ayan! Oo! Oo! So, paano to? Kasi may stand siya, pwede mo siyang may stand siya eh. Dito yun. So, yung stand niya, need yata ito ng charge. Kasi nag-automatic yata ito ng hindi ko mabasa, may tawag nun. May, Chinese ang open the handle. Wait. Open the handle.
You want the guns, you need a blast ring, and then you need a blast ring to get the guns. Wait, give me a sec. I'm equipping a ring. I need a
Switch on off. Press and hold camera. Okay. Wireless. So ano pala to? Wireless So pwede siyang i-charge ko nga muna. Yan siya guys. Hindi ko pa alam paano. When the selfie stick is charged. So you have to charge it first. To tripod mode. Pay attention to pull the last sections of the stick and adjust it until the tripod is stable. So this you have to charge this one first, and it's automatic gonna open it by itself.
By the way, don't dual build. Dual build is
So I have to charge it first.
You want to switch guns. You want to focus all your things
Saan ba ang charger nito?
Because like you have, if you want to dual build, you're gonna have to be like super high level.
Here.
No,
Ito
you
pala.
have to. Or wait, you don't.
So automatic siya. After charging, automatic na siya
Shield with
Play the
gun
flip.
if you want to.
Take picture from
Two guns is better
multiple angles, take photos more prettily. The same charger lang pala siya sa ano, itong mga ginagamit ko dito.
Wait. Oh, do you see this red aura around me?
So, charge ko muna. Well, still, tingnan mo, ang ganda niya, guys.
So now I just summon a dragon.
Pero mag-ano pa ako kung paano. Ito pala yung ano,
With my heavy,
I'll take a picture for that. Pwede mo siyang isit by,
wait.
anong tawag nun?
Oh no, that just summoned a dragon. Look.
Bluetooth.
When I do it, look, there will be a dragon spirit behind
Yeah,
me.
in Bluetooth.
It's a dragon spirit. It's the. Okay. Wait, yeah. But with that air build is really good. I actually kind of like that usually.
Feel like may light siya.
Mage, probably. Because me personally, mage is like the easiest build. You don't need a lot of SP.
So, magic.
You want me to give my mage build?
Kasi nag-aano siya ng light dito eh. So, ayan.
When I take you to
Ayan siya, guys. May light nga.
wait, no, that's not.
So, you have to press it hard
Oh yeah.
to take a picture. Ayan na. So, naka-Bluetooth. You have to put it on the Bluetooth. Ayan. You have to press it.
These guys
So, pag mag-take ng picture pala, pag naka-ano yung phone mo na dito, so may light siya, automatic na ano, tapos ilagay mo lang siya sa Bluetooth.
Okay, wait, let me see. Do I got any gold?
Tapos, ito may stand, itong stand. Basahin ko muna tong ano kasi
I don't have any.
may ano to eh. Kasi may stand siya eh. Tingnan niyo. Maano siya tawag nun. So, basahin ko muna to paano i-open yung stand niya.
Just know,
Pero ito guys, ang ganda. So, nakaano siya. Pwede mo siyang i-ano nga sa Bluetooth. Kasi wireless siya eh. Pero i-charge ko muna siya. Kasi, i-off ko muna. Kasi i-charge ko muna para...
also heavy right click.
Yay! Mura lang siya guys. Alam mo kung magkano tong bili ko nito. Ano lang siya.
That's a three-headed dragon build. This is my fire.
Hi guys. Ay, ito pala yung ano. Yung remote niya, natatanggal pala siya. Ayan oh. Natatanggal. Pwede mo siyang tanggalin. Pwede mo siyang ilagay. So, natatanggal. Tapos, ang pag-open lang pala sa ano, ganito lang. I-push mo lang pala yung ano niya. Ito. Nagbukas na siya. Ayan. Tapos, i-pull mo siya pa ganyan. Yan na. So, ilagay mo yung ano, yung
Pop roll.
phone mo dito, pataas.
No, I don't.
Kasi may light siya. So, inaano mo na yung phone mo dito, ganyan. So, dito na yung phone mo. Tapos, ito yung light. Naka-charge na eh. So, ito na yung light niya, guys. Yan. So, tapos, yeah, depende sa'yo kung paano mo ba, pa ganyan o pa ganyan. Kasi matuturn mo to eh. So, ito, pa ganyan ba, gusto mo, pa ganyan ba, o pa ganun ba, ganun. Tapos, yun na. Tapos, ito madali lang pala kasi i-push mo lang pala yung ano niya. I-push mo lang, ma-push na siya sa yung parang paa niya. Tapos, i-close mo lang siya, ganyan. Tapos, madali lang. Yan. Alam mo kung magkano lang ito pala? 699. So, 7 lang. With tax is I pay only 8 or 7 something. Yan. Ito guys, yun na. Selfie stick ko. Maganda siya. I like it. Thank you, thank you.